dollar symbol enough. Normally we can write ID na class name or tag name. Only dollar symbol we can identify the all values. So this dollar symbol is equivalent to this one. In our query select all, both are same. In JavaScript we are using this command. Here I'm using only dollar symbol only. Remaining everything should be the same. For example, take a small example, atom. In this atom, here, sir, I have to take h1 tag. Okay, this is sample tag. Next, h2 tag I can provide it there. Favorite drink I can provide it there. I can provide it UL inside list. Inside list. Inside list. Inside list. Inside one more. This is the HTML page available there. Next, I want to provide one anchor tag. The anchor tag I can provide http://google.com. I can provide it. Now, click here to go to the Google. Save this. Sir, as I'm telling how to connect with Jquery libraries. Two ways are there, locally, and second one Jquery CDN. So already I'm given link. This is the CDN link. Already I'm integrated. Okay, fine. So here some h1 tag is there, h2 tag is there, something is available there. This is the just idea sake. I am taking a small example by using dollar symbol. How we are accessing test.html. Okay, now go to the console. In console, first we have to provide the Java query code. Go to this D colon. Yes, this is sample tag, favorite drinks. Click here to go to the Google. Control Shift J. Open it. Previous in our vanilla JavaScript code can identify there all the comments are there. But here I want to write only one symbol. What it is? Dollar. Simple, you can check it. Go to browser. Dollar of which tag you can require? H1. Dollar of H1. What is H1 tag? Available. This is the sample tag. One is available there. If I want to go to the LI, this of LI. Yes, how many are there? Only 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are available there. So by using dollar, you can identify. For example, here any ID is there. No ID. I am not given any ID. For example, ID one day. For example, if I'm given ID equal to special. Now come here, refresh. Now dollar symbol I can use inside hash special. So how many are available special item? One is available there. So only dollar symbol you can do everything, sir. Dollar of anchor tag. One anchor tag is available there. So how we are using query selector all? Here I'm using only dollar symbol we can provide it there. Data Cheyichu. By using get attribute, text function is there. By using text, I will show examples. By using text, it acts as a two ways, getter and setter. Suppose first time element identifying. If I'm using text function, it is reading. If I'm using text of something content, if I provided, that will be added to that variable. Those type of functions are there. జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఐడెంటిఫైయింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఓన్లీ. ప్రీవియస్ గా ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ఎలిమెంట్. హౌ వీఆర్ ఐడెంటిఫైయింగ్, గెట్ ఎలిమెంట్ బై ఐడి ఆఫ్, సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ ఐడి ఆర్ హియర్ tag name I can provided h1. What we are getting, h1 tag. Same here, what I'm doing, dollar symbol of I can provided h1 tag. Dollar symbol of, first I'm identifying elements. How to read data I will show. Next, dollar symbol of what I'm given, anchor tag. Dollar symbol of, if any ID is there, hash special. Because here one ID I can provide it there. For milk, I'm given ID equal to special. So by using ID, only dollar symbol. Previous get, these are all the commands are available there. Now I am using only one symbol. What is that symbol? Dollar symbol equal to query select all in our JavaScript. Mari, now how to manipulate HTML elements. Manipulating HTML elements. And style dot color equal to so and so we are using in our JavaScript. Now here, once you are reading that data, how to do this one means, first dollar symbol, inside you have to give selector, and based on which one, h1 h2 list dot, what is the function, CSS. Inside you have to give property, after that value, completed. Like that, anything you can provide. For example, go to the here, refresh. Yes. Sir, first I want to take h1 tag. So how to read the value? Dollar. It is pointing to h1. Now, what is the function? CSS. Inside two values are there. Property, value. Suppose I want to make it as a color. Yes. What I want to take? Red. Now, check it. Red color changed or not? So this is the style of jQuery. Normally we did in the JavaScript. This is the way we have to provide a color. Now I want to provide background. What to do? Dollar. Inside h1, I want to provide it. What is the function? CSS. Yes. What is the property? Background. What is the color I want to give? Red I can provide it. For example, here I'm given as a white color. Background red. Now, dollar symbol. Same. Which tag? h1 tag. Dot function is CSS. Inside I'm given as a border. How to give the border? 5 pixel. Solid green. Okay. Now these three, copy, come here, refresh, paste it. ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది? కోలన్ ఇవ్వలేదా? ఓకే. Came background red, border green, 5 pixel and white color came. Sir, same, both are same only. JavaScript here also, but JavaScript you have to read multiple lines. jQuery, single line. Identify element, apply the colors. Kya Subba Reddy, online class attend. Huh? Today his engagement, that's why it didn't came. His engagement. Now, this is the way. Now, same observe carefully. We can save a selector in element by using some variable. How to do? What is the meaning? You can check it your JavaScript code. We are using get element by ID stored into variable. Same. Sir, I am taking this variable. Copy. Okay. It yeah. So now, sir, S equal to color white. Same story. Copy paste same thing. Sir, instead of $H1, what can I give? X. That is only change. Now, take all the story, come to browser. Yes. In browser, refresh, everything will be gone. Paste it. And this time what happened? I'm storing into variable. In that variable, I'm applying everything. Same am I getting or not? Previously, directly I'm applying, now I'm storing into a variable. Now, what happened is there means, sir, here one by one parameter I'm passing to the x. X is a variable, I'm passing one by one. Instead of that, you can create object. How to create object? JSON object. Dictionary format, key value pairs. Now instead of passing parameters one by one, we can create one object and pass that object directly. How to create objects? You know already, JSON object. First to take this. Where? Okay, fine. How to create object? My CSS. How to create object? Curling braces. Key value pairs. JSON object. How to create it now? Give color. Colon. What it is? White. Comma. JSON object. Have you remembered? Next. What is the next one? Sir, color అనేది ఎందుకు? No. Background. What I want to give? Red. Third one, border. Border, red, 5 pixel. Yakada? Color. Completed. Is it applied if I given like this? Copy. Come this. Refresh. Now If you run it, is it applied? Why? Just we are creating object only. Yes or no? What to do? What is your variable? X dot. What is the function? CSS. What you can pass? My CSS. Because object you created, you are not passing. Sir, you create object and pass that object. So compulsory we can pass. Now refresh it. Now, yes. Came. Red. Border రెడ్ ఇచ్చాంగా మనం, అందుకనే నాట్ విజిబుల్. ఇందాకేమి ఇచ్చాం మనం? బార్డర్ గ్రీన్ ఇచ్చాం కదా. ఓకే సార్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే సార్. ఎనీ అనదర్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వే? Function in this program only, that line number 50 to 55. Any another alternative way? Object dot x. X dot, for example, observe. I am storing variable on. What is this? This is the variable. Yes. Okay. Take that variable. Dot. What is the function? CSS. Normal function. What is your object? My CSS. Instead of creating, storing, can I give directly object? Yes or no? Yes, valid only. Because it is pointing to H1, CSS function. Previously, I am storing object, stored into variable, that I am passing. Instead of passing, direct I am given. Check it whether it is correct or wrong. Refresh. Come here, enter. Previously creating object, I am passing that object into variable. Now, as a variable also I am not taken. Direct value, CSS function. Applied there. One, two, three, four, five. So, for example, in atom, this is H1 tag. Five are available there. So if I want to dollar of H1, what I'm getting? What it will display? All H1s will come. Very good. H1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All H1s came, not came. But I want a particular one. First one only. Or last one only. Second one only. Indexing is not there. In find elements, it is list of elements are there, then indexing is there. JavaScript. Here, how to select that? Observe carefully. Different functions are there. How to select? Yes, a particular HTML element instead of all matched element. So generally, this Jquery, all these are UI developers who are working to the front end, they can require. In-depth Jquery knowledge not required for us, because we are using always, we did backend developers, Django, REST API, all are. But whenever interviews say, as if you don't know all these things, suddenly if anybody interview, I'm asking, Do you know DOM? Any idea about JavaScript? Any idea about jQuery? Just these are all just our idea purpose only. But main you can learn JavaScript. That is important. HTML, CS, these are all the simple things only. So Django, JavaScript, REST API, Python. These areas strong knowledge is enough. Actually, if you don't know anything about Java query, whenever they're asking in interview room, we are not in a position to speak about. But we know little bit idea, jQuery, DOM, and all this. Just your idea sake, I'm telling. Okay. Sir, what to do here? First, dollar of single quotes. I want to give element. What it will return? All matched HTML elements. Ante, if I'm given H1, all H1s came. If I'm given Li, all Li will come. If I'm given H2, all will come. First, dollar element colon. What I want to give? First. What is the meaning? Only first matched. If I'm given element colon, I want to given as a last. Then it will be provided. Okay, fine. First to last came. I don't want that one. Second one I can require. Second. First and it will goes to first one. Last means it will goes to the last one. Second one I can require. Dollar of element first of type. What it will return? It is also same. This one only. Only first one only. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా సేమ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైప్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ వన్ అంట. నెక్స్ట్ nth of type. What I'm given? Nth of type. Inside I can give 2. What is the meaning? Only second. Only second matched. చూడండి ఎలిమెంట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైప్ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ nth ఆఫ్ టైప్ 2 లాస్ట్ nth ఆఫ్ టైప్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ యాజ్ ఏ even, then evenly matched 2, 4, 6 like that. Instead of even, I'm given as a odd matched. Now examples, check it carefully, refresh. Sir, first, here I will write dollar symbol. First I want to identify, observe H1. What is the function? CSS. Inside I am given first property, color, comma, I am given red. What will happen? It changes all or not? Yes, all H1 tags will be selected. It is selecting all H1 tags. Next, what I am given? This one. Yes. H1 element of first dot CSS. I am given copy. Now refresh it, paste it. ఏమైంది? సారీ, H1. Only H1 highlighted? Yes, that is the first. Next, ఇంకా another alternative. H1. Next, dollar symbol. I am given H1 dot. What I want to give? First dot CSS. Now copy. Come here, refresh. It is also valid. H1, which function I'm using? First function. CSS, color equal to red. Next, another way. Dollar. I can provide it. H1. Sir, what is the function I'm using? First of type. Dot CSS. Now take this. Refresh. Come to here. First of type. For example, same. What I'm given? Nth of type 1. Then what will happen? First one, second one. Nth of type 1 I am given. It is coming, which one? First one. It is not index. First H1, second H1, third H1, not index. Don't consider index. It is first H1 tag. For example, 3 I am given. Then check it. Third H1 tag will be done. Third one. Nth of tell nth of type. What is n? Where is n? Where is n? It won't work out because n is not there. Na? If you identify elements stored into variable, then it is okay. So now I want to provide dollar of H1 tag dot. What is the function? Last dot CSS. Refresh. Then what will happen? It will be goes to the last element. Next. Sir, now nth of type even. Then what will happen? 2 and 4. 2, 4 will be highlighted. 6 అక్కడ సుబ్బారెడ్డి 6 లేదు కదా, 2 and 4 only. Where? Third one, yeah. All are H1 tags or not? Check it. Here you can see the code. This is the first H1, second H1, third, fourth, fifth. Is the first H1 tag or not? Second one, third one, nth of type. Here no indexing, first H1, second, third. Suppose somewhere else H1 tag is the fifth one. Like that in counting 1, 2, 3, 4, not index. Serial number, not index. Now Sir, I'm given as a, what I'm given? Odd. Then 135. Check it simple. This is first one, second, third, fourth, fifth. Odd means first one, third one, fifth one. Don't consider index as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 serial number. Sir, that is the way we have to take. Now, first one, write vanilla JavaScript code and Jquery. Then check the difference. Jquery code. My requirement is to change all H1 tags, text color white and background as red. What to do? 5 H1 tags are there. All colors I can require white. By default, all are available in black. My requirement, write both codes. JavaScript code you can write, Jquery code you can write. Please tell how to write the JavaScript code. JavaScript you have to tell first. Then I will write Jquery code. How to write? Where? First identify all H1 tags. How to identify? Remember document dot. Yes, query selector all of. Yes, done. Next. What to do? Can I take for loop? Yes. For inside for loop, how to read? There are 5 H1 tags are there. In all 5 H1 tags, one by one, I want to read. How to read it? H1 of all H1s. Yes. How to set the color? H1 dot style dot color equal to white kada. All ఎందుకు స్పేస్ ఎక్కడ స్పేస్ 90 స్పేస్ ఎక్కడ కావాలంటావు ఎందుకు అయ్యో వాట్ ఈస్ all h1 is one variable inside I'm storing all h1 tags na inside one by one I'm reading okay na sir I'm given color as a white next h1 dot style dot background equal to red. Now copy this code, come to here, paste it. So it is a normal JavaScript code. Execute it. Executed. Same code you have to tell now Jquery. That is I'm asking. In that, those many lines I'm written. In Jquery, how to write it? Where my styles equal to create an object. How to create object? Just now we are discussing. Color. What I want to give? White. And object I'm creating, sir. Background. I'm given red. Completed. Next, all tags h1 dollar of h1 dot. What is the function? CSS. What I can pass? My styles. Now come here, refresh. Give this. Completed. That is the story. This is vanilla script. Asli, instead of that, what to do? What we have to write? Dollar of all H1 tags you can read. What is the function? CSS. Inside CSS, pass the object. Refresh, paste it. Completed. Ready? JavaScript code ki our jQuery code ki difference. Which code is? This is the referable one. If senior developer, senior most people are everyone looking JavaScript only. No one looking jQuery. As a freshers who are writing small things coding, then they can go with jQuery. 90% jQuery is not recommended. Yes, that's SDM given a one site also. What is the site SDM telling? No need of jQuery site. Why they are given? Actually not required. This is who are having complete front-end developers. They can require this jQuery knowledge and all this. It's not recommended this one. The problem is even one line of code is there, but every time what it is, I'm added this. Suppose present net is not available, internet is not there, then it won't execute. That's why you can download locally, stored into that. Once you download locally, how many lines of code is there? 10,000 lines of code is there. You are writing single line, but internally it is executing time. Okte line we are writing, but internally first that library will be executed there. That's when the jQuery not recommended. That's the reason I'm telling just 1-2 sessions, just your idea sake only I'm taking all these. Same. The guys will not require this, but just basic idea sake only I'm telling all these things. Suppose this is the list available there, assume atom list, special all are not required. Whatever li tags are there, this I want to increase the size of all the list, pixel size. How to increase it? Now my query is next query. Write JavaScript code and parallelly jQuery codes to set all li tags font size. I can increase it as a 20 pixels. How to write vanilla JavaScript code? Same story. Where of x equal to always document dot query selector all of what I want to take li. Next, for each li of where x. What to do? Li dot style dot font size equal to I'm given 20 pixel. Copy, come to browser, open console, paste it. 20 not visible properly. I give 30. 20 increased. Same thing I want to write into Jquery. Jquery. Please tell how to write Jquery. First, you can start with dollar symbol. What you can require? Li. What is the function? CSS. Inside property. Font size enough. What is the value? Ante 30 pixel. So the code will be short code. That is only advantage of this one. Now refresh. Paste it and run it. Not increase. It's not increased. You may did any mistake. Li. It's not increased. Maybe. Yes. Font size S capital. Yes, capital. Yes, Nani, correct. That is CSS. In the CSS file, we have to give font hyphen size, text hyphen ln, background color. In CSS file, we can give hyphen. So here, this is the way, sir. And then enough, only styling, only functionality, we are not applying anything. That is only same. CSS, Bootstrap. What is the difference between these two? CSS, we have to write everything. Bootstrap, copy, paste it, we can change. Same. JavaScript, Jquery, both are same. JavaScript, you have to write everything. Jquery, you have to write single lines. Already built-in libraries are there. That is only difference. Completed Jquery. Still some concept is there, but not required. Suppose I want to take some paragraph tags. Okay, each and every paragraph tags I want to change it. For example, see, I will share the nodes. Really more and more classes. All these are not required actually for this. Wastage of our time is going to starting onwards. JavaScript code. JavaScript, okay, mandatory, compulsory. Once we started DOM also okay, fine. Jquery not that much of important. PDF upload just today I will upload it. Then you need to practice it. As no functions in Jquery. Today class, whatever Jquery selectors are there. Okay, demo application. Just I'm taken these things. How to manipulate HTML elements. Just now I'm explaining now. This is now vanilla JavaScript code. How I said this. The JavaScript code and Jquery code. Every example, 2-3 simple examples. Next, a small application I'm taking. Check it. First paragraph, second, third, fourth. So first paragraph I'm not given anything. Second I'm given ID. Third class I'm given. How to handle cases. Select all paragraph tags. Background as a green. What to do? $P CSS background green. Completed. Next case. All paragraph tags with the class name remaining and make them as a 200 pixel width. What to do? Is going to $P CS background green. Next CSS 200 pixel I can provide it. Next question. Paragraph tags with the second and give red solid 10 pixel. Is going to hash symbol second CSS border 10 pixel. So single line of codes I'm given example question exam is going to just I'm telling na nth of type 3 third one P of first one. You can execute it, then it will execute. So more explanation is also not required here. If any functionality dot means dot only. Where? Yeah. Dot means class. Hash means ID. Ante ikkada chudandi idigondi. Here idigondi ID is there na. Whenever I can identify ID, second, what I'm using? Hash. Suppose here class name, remaining. We want to represent with dot. Same and man CSS style, how we are using? If it is a class name, dot, class name, curling braces, give. Hash means ID. Same style. Next. What are common methods? Just now you're asking na text, HTML, attr, val, add class, remove class, toggle class. They're all the predefined functions. If any doubt are there, in that site you can check it. SDM open now. What is the site? Jquery. Now, first you can require about text function. Text function. What it is? Do text. The text function, it acts as a getter method and setter method. Until we can read the value, we can set the value. Examples and everything they can provided there. Code, how to write. I am taking some examples from there. First function text. Text of empty. It is to reading purpose. Text of content. We have to set the content. An example I am given. Here a list of tags are available. H1 of text. What will happen? Whatever H1 text is there, it will be reading. LI text. LI text means all the listed text it is displaying. First one. H1 text Mahesh. What will happen? What is the H1? This is H1 tag. It will be replaced with Mahesh. Manam in the JavaScript written content, text content equal to so and so. Same like that. Simple. Even the body kada. Okay. Take this body. One by one I will execute. You will get clarity. Here, if any functionality coding is there, then I will explain. Here, no coding, nothing. Refresh. This is H1 tag. Choose your favorite subject, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, jQuery, DOM, Bootstrap. First command, what I'm given. What is the meaning of this one? What it will display? H1 tag text function. This is H1 tag. Any explanation required? LI of text. What is the meaning of LI of text? All LI will be HTML, JavaScript, everything will be displayed. Same, you given UL. UL means same. All am provided. /n means LI itself containing /n. What it is? First one. First, what is the first one? HTML. What is the meaning of this one? That is, what will happen? Where? All first one. Check it carefully. All. LI ante than adhamenti, not first one. All kada. Idigo. Change unda leda? First one kavalante? First. Now, what is this one? H1 will be replaced with Mahesh. Given any explanations required here? Not required. Sir, I am given examples and commands. Next, what is the method? attr and attribute. How to read the attribute? href, src, image. If you want change. JavaScript already we discussed in the same thing here also. I'm giving example. Images I am taken. Okay. Simple. You can copy this example and paste in your atom in the body. And you can execute, you will get clarity. Save, refresh. Some 3 images I am taken now. Okay. In these 3 images, I want to take it as a same size border, everything. Sir, I am given all questions. To set width height of every image properly. Here, every image properly available, not available. Okay. What to do? It go $. What is the tag? Image. It goes here. Width to height to. Now, check it. Copy. Control Shift J. Paste it. Enter. Now check it. All are having same color or not? Way I am given multiple examples. How to get SRC attribute value of the first image. ATTR of SRC. How to change this thing. Next, same attribute input. Copy this code into your atom. In the body law, remove all these. Remove. Remove. Idi body, yeah. Now you have to refresh it. User input name, input provided there. Sir, slow. He not required Subbareddy. All these are, you need to practice it. Okay, na? If it is important, I will explain slow. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇది input ATTR type. Now what is the type? Text box kada. How I am telling idigondi, what is the type? Idigo text box type is okay. Now what I am doing? Yes. So you also take the example one by one, execute. Color. You go, which color you want to? This color, or this one. Color picker. Change in the, yes. What it is? Type I am changing. Input kasta what it is? Checkbox. So if you want to change attributes like that, we can change it. Next, val function. Whatever value available there, that value I want to take. Input of value it is coming. All text box I can provide Mahesh, I can provide. From the drop down also, you can take drop downs, select a tag value. The values will be replaced. Add remove class. Next to toggle class means you go. Add class means we are adding the class name. Some new class name we are changing. Remove means it will be removed. Toggle means both. Means if it is not there, it is adding. If already available, it will be removed. Both cases will be done by toggle class. We can use this method to add and remove class. If already available, will be removed. So if it is not there, it will be added. Actually not required. All these are for you. Okay. Next to event handling. We did no event handling, event listener, same like that. Here 3 are there. Click, key press on. If you want example, in PDF, I'm given one example, sir. That is enough. UI, core, rest. So total UI, I can provide it there here. Day 1 onwards, what I'm telling all HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, DOM, and Jquery. So these things already you know. HTML, okay. After HTML, examples, CSS. And after CSS, examples. The complete CSS, WebGR, color, chessboard, all these things how to implemented. Next, game application, gambling application. Next to Bootstrap, not required sir. Bootstrap, simple story only. Next to JavaScript. JavaScript, somewhere else gone. JavaScript, okay. JavaScript. After JavaScript, complete nodes available there. Next to DOM. After DOM, last is going to be what it is. Jquery. In the Jquery is going to be whatever I'm telling daily, those are available there completely. Jquery small topic only. I'm going to methods, remove class, toggle class. Example I'm given, practicing purpose. You can practice it. Next to event handling. By using event handling, a small application, click how it is doing that. Once click on some event. After that, clicking, I'm going to key press. Whenever I'm pressing any key, then ఇదిగోండి alert message how to provided. Difference between creepers and key down, key up events on. Fade out to fade on. Jquery effects. Do you know some effects we can provide that? Moving from left to right, right to left, fade out, fade in like that. Na? Those will come. Sliding effects. Even if you want, sir, go to this site, you will get every clarity. Sir, if you are UA developer, these are all required, sir. But you don't bother about that. We are all the backend developers only. Mark you going to how much delay, fade to, fade toggle, finish, hide. Check the two examples. Okay. A small example, fading effects, fade out, fade in, fade toggle. Simple example I'm taken. In this, how fading, fade out is coming, you can check it. Slide up, slide down. Completed jQuery. So, fade out. So, not that much important, sir. Just basic idea is enough. So, Monday onwards, we will start about REST API. That is most important concept. Anything
Recording
else?
stopped.
Sir, basically, you can concentrate. I'm telling na JavaScript concentrate enough. DOM a little bit okay. Remaining HTML CSS already you know. Bootstrap jQuery not that much important. Not required as well. REST API very, very important. So Monday onwards, again you can start practice. Monday onwards I will tell programming, sir. Little bit about API today, sir. No, Monday only. Difference between div and span tag anta. Div ki span ki already explain na. Div means span means inline element. Nani inline. Div means completely one division block level. Monday I will tell Amit what is API, what is web API, REST API, RESTful API, web services. What is API and REST API difference and everything. You don't bother about that. Sorry, I will upload all the materials and everything.